Okay, we've got Jerome. He's pulling a suitcase. This is, number 8. He's pulling a suitcase up a ramp with an angle of 22 degrees. The suitcase weighs 62 pounds. Well, he's already in trouble because it's not going to go on the airplane. No suitcase can weigh, over 50 pounds, right? Doesn't it have a limit? Maybe he's a special airport. What force? Now, I didn't talk about the other one. This is force. This is not work. So this is the first kind of word problem application. So what force is required to keep the suitcase from rolling down the ramp? So we have the same setup as we had before. We have a 22-degree angle. We have this suitcase that weighs 62 pounds. Okay. And we're going to have the unit vector v, and we're going to project v onto F. This is F, and that will give us W1. W1. Okay, so we're looking for the projection. W1 is equal to the projection of F onto V, and that is equal to F dot V dot product over V, the magnitude of V squared times V. All right, so keep that formula, keep saying it, doing it, so you have it memorized. So we've got to find our vectors, right? So F is straight down, so it would be 0, negative 62, and our unit vector V would be cosine of 22 sine of 22 degrees. Okay, so the dot product would be 0 and negative 62 sine 22 degrees. Okay, so that would be the dot product, plus, right, over 1, because we're using the unit vector, times V. So we get negative 62 sine 22 degrees and V over 1. Okay, so then we want, I guess we can do it times V. We don't need to put times 1. So what's negative 62 times sine 22? So negative 62 times the sine of 22 degrees is equal to negative 23.23. So we'll round it, times our unit vector, which would be cosine 22 degrees, sine 22 degrees. And so we will get if we want W1, we get 23.23. Let's see, pounds. 23.23 pounds. Okay, so looks like I got 23.24. Did I round too early? Maybe I round too early. I rounded it. Well, if you get 23 or 23.23 or 23.24, it's okay. Don't worry about it. It's no biggie. Okay, so let's go on to number 9. Number 9 says determine the work done. So we're work now. We want work by pushing a 250-pound boulder 6 feet. So I guess we're pushing it straight across. So we can use the very simple work formula. W equals the magnitude of the force times the magnitude of the distance. Okay, so the magnitude of the force is 250, and the magnitude of the distance is 6. So you get 1,500. And now remember, it's foot pounds. It's a weird unit. Get used to that unit for this, okay? It's 1,500 foot-pounds. All right, I'll stop there.